Did you know that if you take black seed oil by itself, you might be wasting half of every single dose? It's a surprising fact, but it's true. The most powerful compound inside this ancient oil has a major problem getting into your bloodstream. So much of the money you spend never actually delivers the benefits. You're literally flushing a good portion of it away. This keeps many people from feeling the real power of this natural remedy. The issue is absorption. The active ingredient is thymoquinone. It's fat-soluble. That means it doesn't mix with your gut's watery environment. A large percentage can pass right through without being absorbed. It's frustrating after weeks and months. The oil isn't the problem. It's how you're taking it. Fortunately, there is a simple, ancient fix. The solution: cayenne pepper. Adding this common spice changes the equation. Capsaicin acts like a key that unlocks the oil's full potential. It dramatically boosts absorption, delivering compounds to cells throughout your body. Let's break down why these two are so effective together. Black seed oil comes from Nigella sativa seeds, and it's a powerhouse on its own. Its main compound, thymoquinone, has been studied hundreds of times. It blocks inflammatory pathways much like common pain meds, without the harsh effects on your stomach and kidneys. Cayenne brings a different toolset. It produces and provides medicinal benefits by acting on pain receptors. Its heat comes from capsaicin, famous for boosting circulation. It helps relax blood vessels, so blood reaches every corner of your body. It also wakes up digestion and enzymes, improving nutrient absorption. Together, it's a dual pathway attack. Black seed oil calms inflammation inside your cells, while cayenne optimizes delivery and clearance systems. A study published in the Journal of American College of Cardiology in 2019 showed over 22,000 adults with regular capsaicin intake were linked to lower cardiovascular mortality. Add them up: better circulation, better absorption, better outcomes. Here are 12 essential benefits of using black seed oil and cayenne pepper combined. Benefit 1. Double action inflammation control. Chronic inflammation is the cause of many major health problems such as joint pains, brain fog, heart disease, and stubborn weight. This combo is the game changer for these problems. Benefit 2. More complete heart protection, healthier arteries, and better circulation support. Benefit 3. Enhanced absorption. Capsaicin turns on the highway so thymoquinone actually gets in. Benefit 4. Blood sugar stability, smoother energy, fewer afternoon crashes. Benefit 5. Total gut restoration. Protects lining while improving digestive function. Benefit 6. Gentle metabolic boost. A 2021 capsaicin meta-analysis showed increased calories burned at rest. Inflammation, heart, absorption. The duo creates results you can feel, from sluggish to steady and clear. When delivery improves, everything improves. Simple addition, massive difference. And yes, there are more. Let's keep going. Benefit 7. Better circulation, warmer hands and feet, clearer thinking. Benefit 8. Natural pain relief. Black seed oil cut knee pain in a 2022 trial. Benefit 9. Respiratory support. Opens airways and clears congestion. Benefit 10. Brain fog eraser. Better oxygen, sharper focus. Benefit 11. Immune balance. Strong when needed, calm when not. Benefit 12. Skin and hair. Visible hydration and density support. Now, let's look at the full daily dose of this powerful combination. Full daily dose: 1 teaspoon high-quality cold-pressed black seed oil. Mix with 1/4 teaspoon organic cayenne. Take it straight, or mix into warm water, a smoothie, or a spoon of raw honey. Timing is key. Take both within 15 minutes. Week 1, half teaspoon oil and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne. Week 2, 3/4 teaspoon oil but cayenne stays the same. Week 3, 1 full teaspoon of oil. Week 4, full dose, 1 teaspoon oil plus 1/4 teaspoon cayenne. Never take on a completely empty stomach and take 15 to 20 minutes after a light meal. Avoid taking right before bed as this can disrupt sleep and cause discomfort. If pregnant, on blood thinners, or managing a condition, speak with your doctor first. If you enjoy this video, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for more power-packed videos.